Welcome to Video Editing Fundamentals. In this series, we'll explore the three core techniques that form the foundation of professional video editing: cuts, transitions, and pacing. These essential skills will help you create engaging, professional quality content that keeps your audience captivated from start to finish. Here's what we're going to cover in this video. First, we'll dive deep into cuts and learn how to make clean, intentional transitions between shots. Then, we'll explore transitions and discover when and how to use visual effects between clips. Finally, we'll master pacing, which is all about controlling the rhythm and timing of your edits to match your content and engage your viewers. Let's start with cuts. A cut is the most fundamental technique in video editing. It's an instantaneous transition from one shot to another with no effect or fade. Cuts control the pacing of your video, direct where your viewers' eyes should look, and create the narrative flow of your story. The key principle is that cuts should be intentional, and they should match the rhythm of your audio, music, or dialogue. There are several types of cuts you should know about. A J-cut is when the audio from the next clip starts before the video changes, so you hear dialogue and then see who's speaking. An L-cut is the opposite. The video changes to a new shot while the previous audio continues. A hard cut is a sudden, abrupt transition with no effect used for dramatic impact. Finally, a match cut connects two shots through similar compositions or objects, creating a visual link between different scenes. Now let's talk about transitions. Transitions are visual effects that bridge between two clips, creating either smooth or stylized connections. It's important to use transitions sparingly because most professional content actually relies on cuts. Transitions should enhance your story, not distract from it. Use transitions when you need to show a scene change, indicate a jump in time, transition between different topics, or when a straight cut would feel too abrupt. Here are the most common types of transitions you'll find in video editing software. A fade gradually makes one clip disappear to black or white. A dissolve fades out one clip while simultaneously fading in the next one. A slide makes a new clip move across the screen, pushing out the previous clip. A wipe sweeps a new clip across the screen in a specific direction. Zoom transitions create a sense of movement by zooming in or out. And spin transitions rotate or spin the clips for a dynamic effect. Remember, use these strategically and not too frequently. Pacing is the rhythm and speed at which your cuts, transitions, and scenes flow together. This is one of the most powerful tools in your editing arsenal. The key is to make your pacing audio-driven, which means your cuts should align with music beats, dialogue pauses, and sound effects. A fundamental principle is that fast pacing creates excitement and energy, while slow pacing builds tension, drama, and allows for reflection. Mastering pacing is what separates amateur edits from professional ones. Let's explore 4 pacing techniques. Fast pacing uses rapid cuts to create energy and excitement, commonly seen in action sequences, trailers, and music videos. Slow pacing uses longer shots to build tension and emotion, perfect for documentaries, dramatic scenes, and video introductions. Variable pacing mixes fast and slow cuts for dynamic storytelling, allowing you to build tension and then release it with rapid cuts. Finally, breathing room means pausing between cuts to prevent viewer fatigue. A good rule is to hold most shots for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Here are 3 pro tips to elevate your editing immediately. First, always edit on the beat. Synchronize your cuts and transitions to the music or dialogue rhythm for a cohesive and professional flow. Second, remember that less is more. Minimize transitions and effects because strong, intentional cuts tell better stories than flashy effects ever will. Third, test and iterate. Watch your edits multiple times, get feedback from others, and continuously adjust your pacing based on what works best. With these fundamentals and consistent practice, you'll be creating engaging, professional quality videos in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.